Hello everyone, this is Manu Singhal, a third year medical student in Jonata Foundation School of Medicine. Today I am here to do a breast examination for the OSCE purpose. For this OSCE, I use the breast dummy in video showing palpation of breast, and for inspection I will demonstrate myself. The first step for this examination is to taking the consent or permission from the patient, and the second step is to taking history of the patient. Now moving forward, I start the examination of the breast. Firstly, asking the patient to undress down to the waist behind the curtain. After this, now by asking the patient to sit on the examination chair or table comfortably, with her hand relaxed on her thigh, and start inspecting the breast for the presence of any asymmetry, changes in color of skin, like dimpling, puckering, for any obvious masses like swelling or scars, or any nipple changes like retraction or discharge. Next, I ask the patient to place her hand on the hip and push inward to tense the pectoralis major, and repeat the inspection process as I do before. Next, by asking patient to place her hand behind her head and repeat the inspection procedure, and note it down if is there any changes in masses, asymmetry, the dimpling or puckering. And finally, by asking the patient to lean forward by keeping her hand behind her head and inspect for any changes like color of skin, any masses or any asymmetry. Now moving forward, the second step, which is palpation. Firstly, ensure to warm hand or putting gloves. I wear my gloves already. Afterward, ask the patient to lie on the examination table flatly and place her hand on the side being examined behind her head. As I use breast dummy, now I move toward dummy, leaving my dummy as a patient lying flat on the examination table. Firstly, I do the examination of nipple by squeezing the nipple gently to check any discharge. Note the color, amount, order and consistency of discharge, if any. For this examination of breast tissue, use a systematic approach to ensure all areas of breast are examined. For this OSCE, I use a spiral method. In a spiral method, I start palpating at the nipple and work outward in a concentric circular motion by using 3 finger pads of my hand to compress the breast tissue against the chest wall and feel for any masses. I press downward using a circular motion. I also remember that I use steady and enough pressure to palpate the 3 levels of depth. That is first superficial and then medium and lastly the deep to the level of chest wall. Now the third examination, the examination of axilla. For this, I palpate the axilla with a free hand to ensure to cover all the areas of axilla, that is medial, lateral, anterior and posterior wall, and also the apex of axilla. After this examination, I examine the breast and axilla on the other side. We need to do the same examination procedure with the other side of the breast. And lastly, I perform a general lymph node examination of areas of cervical, supraclavicular, infraclavicular and parasternal. So that's all for breast examination OSCE. I examine and I tell my patient about findings, which is that both breasts are symmetrical, no mass is seen, and the color of skin is also good, and there is no nipple discharge and retraction. Thank you.